Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Are you fascinated by AI-generated images, videos, music, and creative content? Do you want to learn how tools like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and DALL actually work behind the scenes? Then this course is exactly for you. Course Overview. We proudly introduce our Generative AI Fresher package, designed specially for beginners, students, and career switchers. This is a hands-on, practical course where you'll learn how to create AI-powered content using the latest generative technologies. What you'll learn. In this 8-week intensive program, you will master AI-generated text, images, music, and videos, fundamentals of generative AI architectures, GANs, generative adversarial networks, VAEs, variational autoencoders, diffusion models, real-world creative and AI projects. Tools and technologies covered. You will work with industry-leading tools like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, DALL-E, GANs and VAEs, modern generative AI models. All concepts are taught with live demos and practical use cases. Course details. Duration, 8 weeks. Course fee, 30,000 rupees. Includes creative AI projects, hands-on training, beginner-friendly explanations, and career-oriented guidance. Contact details, call 741-860-2650 or 8925132650. Email contact@yajentiotrainingacademy.com. Who should join? Students and freshers, content creators, designers and developers, anyone interested in AI creativity. If you want to build creative AI skills and stay ahead in the future of technology, this Generative AI course is your perfect starting point. Enroll now and transform your creativity with AI. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications for more AI learning content. Thank you for watching. See you in the course.